What's up with Ahrefs' new pricing? Um, yeah, so I guess I can pop this up on the screen real quick. Ahrefs pricing. So unless you don't use Ahrefs or maybe you live under a rock, this is kind of, oh, it's going to be cool to see your shirt change color. Let's try to make Nick turn
Oh,
blue real
neat.
quick.
How about that?
Oh, now you're blue.
Neat.
That's cool. You're blending in. Yeah, your face looks really blue today. That's weird. I don't know what.
I'm literally doing everything the exact same way that I always do, is the confusing part of
I
it.
wonder if are you using a different webcam? Maybe you're using your computer's webcam.
No, it's covered. So I'm using the HD cam that I always use, but maybe with this new well, no, because I've used this laptop already, so
All
I
right.
might just need to adjust settings.
So anyway, yeah, so Ahrefs, new pricing. Um, Essentially, they increase the pricing on the plans here, and then scrolling down, the real crazy part is right here, the reports. So basically, you only get 500 reports per month now on any of the plans, unless you pay more. And what a report is basically anything you click. Basically anything you click, like if you click on backlinks, if you then click on filters within the backlinks and you're filtering the information in different ways, you go to Ahrefs and you're filtering your basically any single thing you click is consuming a report. And so if you're doing any kind of like in-depth report or in-depth analysis of a website in Ahrefs, you could use a ton of reports. Like you could use 10, 20, maybe even 100 if you're going really deep on a single website.
Yeah.
So, for a lot of people, this is going to be a huge problem. On top of the increased pricing, the fact that you're going to burn through your reports and then you're going to be hit with additional fees and stuff is going to be a big problem. And people are kind of freaking out about it right now. To be completely honest with stuff, so Ahrefs actually I saw something recently. Here, let me find it real quick. So you can go here, you can go to app.ahrefs.com/pricing. Make sure you have this app.ahrefs in there. And you can go to the report section and it'll actually have a button you can click and see how many reports you're using if you're still on a legacy account, if you're not actually being billed for the reports already. So you can see how many you're using. We're actually within the 500 right now, but haven't really been doing like super in-depth analysis recently. It's just not something we really need to do. I would say in general though, even for like very basic analysis, we're probably still burning at least 5 per little mini audit kind of deal. If we started going in depth more though, or I would definitely burn them quicker. But anyway, good to check out using that little this link here, app.ahrefs, if you're worried about it. Another thing you can do is you can make sure you're on an annual plan, and you get this 2 months free per month if you're doing that. And so if you get on an annual instead of monthly, and then you pay for the extra 500 reports per month as well, it actually ends up being about the same or cheaper or something. I can't really remember what the calculation was, but um, anyway, so if it ends up being a problem, we're already planning on moving to SEMrush. Um, but as far as right now, we're good on Ahrefs and we're on a legacy plan as well. So we haven't really been being hit with the new reports kind of structure quite yet. But I've been told it eventually will change over. So that's fun.
Mm.
Anything to add on that, Nick?
Yeah, I mean, I wonder how much of this has to do with their new, business plan to move into search as well, or run the search engine. What is it again?
I don't know, but
Yep.com?
it actually just pisses me off the more that I think about
Same,
it
the
because
same.
they've
Yeah,
been having like some problem with their normal platform, just their Ahrefs tool, the tool that we all use, and now they're jacking up the pricing and this new reports thing, and they just spent all this money on a search engine, which if
they've
we're
had it in the
being
works
completely
for a while,
real,
but
it's probably going to fail. just being real. Like the chance of it not failing, I feel like is such a small chance. And it feels like
Yeah,
they're kind of like leaning on like milking their tool as much as possible to make this happen. And the tool's been kind of, I mean, it's got some cool new features and stuff, but there's just a lot of bugs and kind of funny stuff happening with it. It just kind of rubs me the wrong way a bit.
yeah. I'm wondering what their angle is, because I mean, they've got, a lot of smart people over at Ahrefs. I would think they're trying to like add some sort of functionality by create or to the original Ahrefs tool by creating this search engine. I just don't know what the end goal would be really. It doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but maybe they've got an angle that they're working. But I like, if we were placing stock bets on it, I'm with you on this one. It's just not for me. And even when they first announced that they were thinking about doing this publicly, I remember a lot of people being up in arms about it, saying, why would you do something like that instead of just focusing on the tool you have and making it better? But we'll see. A lot of great things come out of diversification, but a lot of errors do as well.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for links to our blog for more info on this topic, along with a bunch of other cool stuff like case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thanks and happy ranking.